friends, and welcome back to Sable Hearth. Today I'm going to be sharing a few simple tips on how you can decorate your living room space for Christmas, and hang around because you don't want to miss a tasty holiday treat. One tip for finding unique and timeless decor is to not overlook unexpected spots like Cracker Barrel for Christmas decor. You'll find hidden treasures like unique ornaments and timeless pieces like this crystal rose that has graced our tree for over 20 years. A great way to fill in space on a large Christmas tree is to use ribbon. So this year I've selected two different ribbons. One is a whitewash woodsy like ribbon, and the other is a cranberry colored gold embellished ribbon, just to give it a little more regal feel. Woodsy picks and crystallized pine cones bring the outdoors in, and most importantly, I love my wooden cross ornament, reminding us of the true meaning of Christmas, the birth of Jesus Christ. I've adorned the fireplace mantel with Norfolk pine accented by frosted cranberries, just to give it a festive yet very natural look. For a soft glow, I've added a couple of evergreen tree candles, and I've created an inexpensive piece of framed art by using an old gold picture frame and adding a printed winter scene of evergreens. This works perfectly for that mountain lodge feel. As we sit around our tree and fireplace during the Christmas season, nothing is cozier than a few plush pillows here and there. Here's a little tip. Christmas pillows can be very pricey, so instead, look for ones that complement your decor and can carry you through the fall and winter seasons. A simple way to stay festive and save a whole lot of money. Using coffee tables and end tables is just another great way to display conversation pieces or any decor that accents your theme. This year, I've added a couple of deer figurines to reflect my surroundings. As any given night, I can find 10 to 12 deer frolicking in the backyard. And guys, another great tip is to utilize already existing wall art by simply hanging a wreath on them. This also helps with not putting additional holes in your wall. Guys, thanks for sticking around. And now for that tasty treat, pumpkin cinnamon rolls. As always, thank you so much for joining me. And from my home to yours, Merry Christmas. Remember, no home is completely decorated without love.